good evening and welcome back to BellaSoul Farm. So here on my channel, I want my channel to be real, like, my real life, my real truth. So I thought I would start sharing some little snippets and videos about my real life on this farm, the beautiful life that I continue to create here because of my sobriety and healing journey that will never stop. And I thought it would be fun to share some of my day-to-day life, the animals that have helped heal me, the land that has helped heal me. So you'll be seeing some of these videos sprinkled here and there, and I really hope that you enjoy.
These adorable little babies are going into their new home. They stink. Oh, look. What do you think, baby? 1, 2. Cass kind of wants to eat them, but don't worry, I would never let him. There we go, babies. Look what you got in your home. Look at that. Aw, little duckies. They're little stinkers. This is their home until they're big enough to go into the pond with the other ducks and the geese. Bye-bye, babies. And I get to move them around because it has wheels, so they get fresh grass. I think it's safe to say they are happy little duckies. Now maybe they'll clean themselves up and they won't stink so much. For cute little buggers, they sure do stink.